Hey, today just finished installing the DO35 from Cruise Master. You got come with the 4 bolts that'll come through there, flat washer, and the eyelets. The 19mm socket. You'll need an open ender on one end and socket on the other. Just get a rattle gun, handbrake. That'll be the adjuster cable to the cross track. We just had to shorten this bolt in here, get a new one, because that was touching up against there. So if you do have a cross track and if you're going to install it, just be aware of that, rubbing on the cable. Press the button, go in to tension it and to release it. Press the button to lock it in, and when you go to hook it back up, press the button down and then goes in like that. But just be aware of the pinch points in there. And then on your car you'll have the tongue and the bolt that'll come through it, and then there'll be a red rubber that'll go over the top. Just make sure that you remove them, because they will go walkabout. That's how you install the Mastercraft DO35. For more of these videos, please like McCain Adventures on Facebook. Please subscribe to McCain Adventures on YouTube. Please follow McCain Adventures on Instagram, and visit www.mccainadventures.com.au, and have a good day.